All right, welcome back. Our water is boiling. You can tell there's steam. So in my little saucepan here, I put just about 1 centimeter of water, not too much. And now I'm gonna catch some of that hot, moist air with a clear glass dish. I should probably hold it a little higher and be a little safer. And as you'll notice, the dish here is beginning to fog up. You can see the moisture that's being held in the air that's evaporating from the bowl or the saucepan, collecting on the sides of the bowl. Here, let me get this a little closer for you. Oh, and it's fogging up my glasses too. So check it out. See the droplets forming on the inside of this bowl. Now, if I were to keep holding this bowl here, I'm gonna put this camera back here, and there's my glasses again. The longer I hold this there, the more moisture is gonna be collected in this glass bowl. And eventually, some of it is going to cool off and begin to fall back into the saucepan in the form of droplets. And this is essentially what happens when moist, damp air moves and then cools off, and then it drops that moisture in the form of rain or snow or some other form of precipitation. So this type of rainfall, where we're talking about air moving up a side of a mountain, as it loses its radiant heat, it cools off as it moves higher and higher. And then once it gets to the top of the mountain, the moisture falls. That is called orographic rain. Orographic rain. Orographic means that it comes from a mountain. And I encourage you to get out an atlas and check out different parts of our world that might experience orographic rain like this. And maybe you might see vegetation on one side of a mountain, if you were to look at pictures of a mountain, and a very dry desert on the other side. Maybe you could look into spots on the map that you can find where that exists. Maybe you'd be interested in how this moisture, as it collects off the ground, turns into clouds and the different types of cloud formations that exist, because we know not all clouds look the same. What happens with those different forms of clouds? And maybe you're interested though more about how we can tell what type of weather it's going to be based off of atmospheric signs like the pressure, or even by what the clouds look like. It's a very inexact science, but we can surely learn a lot by looking up at the sky.